Okay, that's it. Thank you for your stars, everyone. Blue flames mean a stranger. So can you see blue flames, guys?
Okay then.
All right.
Shall we put it in?
We will. Are you ready, guys?
It's going in, guys.
Say bye-bye, voodoo doll.
Say bye-bye, demonic vessel voodoo doll.
I just hope nobody's cursed that.
Yeah.
Okay. Are you ready, guys?
It's going in. I want you all to share right now to your timelines.
We have got water, guys, don't
We've got water on standby.
Don't worry.
We've got water on standby. It's going in. Burn. It's going in.
It is going in. Do it. Do it now. She said, do it now. Do it now, Lee. Do it now.
I'm gonna try and see what I can do, guys. Let's see what I can do. Let's see what I can do.
We've got 4.4, 4.5. Ooh, that's hot, guys. That is hot. That's burning. Thank you, Deborah. Thank you, Charlene. Yes, the shadow what Lee is creating does look rather funny. Let him move. Oh, God. Don't hold it like that. Sorry, guys.
Just massive. How to put this in without burning myself.
Put it in. Okay, guys. Put it on. That said put it on.
It's melting.
It will do. Well, it's got wax in it. Oh, Lee, put it in. It's dripping everywhere. Hear me. That said hear me.
It's in.
Okay, it's in the fire.
Zoom in.
Oh,
And let's get it an angle so they can see it.
I can see it. Oh, we're not burning Annabelle, guys. No, she's at home at the moment. Look at the colour of them flames. Yeah, ignore the troll train, guys. Got nothing better to do. Hi, everyone. Hi, Liz Anderson. Thank you for your stars.
Troll train, troll train, troll train.
Will you move them? Or are you going to...
Troll train, troll train, troll train.
Burn. Okay, if you don't like it, Vanessa, please don't watch. Okay? If you don't like it, guys, don't watch. But we're just doing something different tonight. And because in celebration of Guy Fawkes Night, which is here in the UK,
Everyone take your screenshots.
oh, guys. Anybody got any feelings? I know you're only looking at the fire.
We've actually got the palace ones.
We have. I know you're looking at the fire, and it's very mesmerising, guys, when you look at it. Look at the colour of them flames. Take your screenshots. Yes, it was a mummified wax doll, Paul. It was sort of wrapped in some, like, sort of rope, and then it looked like it was covered in wax as well. Yes, look what we've got, guys. Look what's come today. Woo! Okay.
Alice box. Can you say something to us, Spirit?
Please speak to us. No, we're not burning a demon dog. Demon dog.
I did spell doll, didn't I, guys? I'm pretty sure I did.
Yeah, not a demon dog. Just so that's it. But take your screenshots, guys. Quite beautiful. I'm just going to put that.
So where's everyone watching from tonight? Let me know. All around the world, where are you all watching from? And we will give away a prize to someone who shares the stream, but you need to share to enter. If you haven't shared, you will not win.
I'll show you in a second, guys, what you can win.
Has it showed yet? Dock.
Duck.
Duck. Is it duck or dog?
Raised. Dock and raised.
Dog. Spirit, tell us about the dolls in there. Tell us about the dolls.
Yeah, it's looking like it won't burn.
What, the doll? The voodoo doll?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
I wonder what it's made of inside.